Sabi nila, love is for everyone. Pero, bakit parang may patakaran kung sino lang ang pwede magmahal at kung sino ang mamahalin? Bakit kapag nagmahal ka, nandi tama sa mata ng iba, mali ka agad? At bakit sa mundong puno ng pag-ibig, may mga taong kailangan magtago?
Mali ba to? Parang ang bigat kasi. Parang bawal. Ha? Anong mali? Ano ngayon? Since when naging mali ang magmahal?
In a world full of stereotypes, love becomes something people question instead of something they understand. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan marinig ng direkta dahil sapat na ang bulong na lipunan para masaktan ka.
Babae tayo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin mo nagtatatago. Hindi kasalanan ang magmahal. Okay lang matakot. Pero huwag mo ayaan matalo ka ng takot mo.
Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about something important, which is gender equality. Gender equality means that all people, no matter what their gender, have the same rights, opportunities, and respect. We also need to understand SOGI, which stand for sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, and sex characteristics. This means we should respect people for who they are, how they identify, and how they express themselves. But in our daily lives, not everyone is treated equally. Let's take a look at some real.
Okay, class. Kayong lahat ay pakiayos na po ang mga upuan at maglinis na. Ano ba ba? Gusto ko mag-visible interview sa kanila.
Oh, nice yan. Kaya mo yan. Don't listen sa panlalaki.
Oo, no, approve na.
Beats fast.
Pero, pwede mo kung mga mag-ayos lang.
By simply helping your classmates or friends with simple things like this, so it shows how you show respect to each other. So not only with the same gender, but even with the opposite one. So this means we should respect people who they are, and also on how they can identify. How they identify, or also how they express themselves. So, in our daily lives, not everyone is treated equally. So, let's take a look at some real situations.
Game na. Respect difference and discriminations promote equality.
Sorry, ganito yung kay Jimmy.
Okay na.
Okay. Respect differences and discrimination promote equality. Your voice matters. Let's build more inclusive and respectful community together. Yum. Okay, next.
Okay na.
Okay. Respect differences and discrimination promote equality. Your voice matters. Let's build more inclusive and respectful community together. Yum. Okay, next.
Ay, oo, naka-record.
Okay. Gender equality is not just an idea. It's something we must practice every day. We can make difference by respecting others, challenging stereotypes, and supporting equal rights. Altogether, respect differences
And discrimination promote equality.
hindi tayo magkasabay-sabay, 'di ba? Kasi may ano 'yun, may delay.
Sige.
Isa-isa muna. Go, ako muna. Go. Mali ba to? Parang ang dikit kasi. Parang bawal. Ha? Anong mali? Ano ngayon? Since when naging mali ang magmahal? Pero hindi ibig sabihin nung limitado tayo. Di kasalanan ang magmahal. Mas mali ang Mali ba to? Parang ang dikit kasi. Parang bawal. Ha? Anong mali? Ano ngayon? Since when naging mali ang magmahal? Mali ba to? Parang ang dikit kasi. Parang bawal. Ha? Anong mali?